How to install and use Tree Harvester in Minecraft. So first, what you will need to do is just go to the link that I will put in the description below. So there will be two links. Just simply click on those two. After that, it will bring you right here where you need to download the Tree Harvester mod. So just simply pick the mod loader that you use. So I currently use Forge and the version 1.20.2. So I'm just going to find that version right here. So 1.20.6 will do. So click on the three dot right there, then click on download file. Next is also download this file right here, which is a collective mod. Now once it is downloaded, you just simply need to place it on the mods folder right here. So I'm just gonna move it right there. After that, you just simply need to open up Minecraft. And as you can see right here, when I destroy a tree here below, it will destroy the whole tree just like that. So let's say I'm gonna use my hands. If it doesn't work, if you want that it will work, what you'll need to do, you just click on escape, go to mods, click on Tree Harvester, go to config, and you could just simply disable this must hold axe for tree harvest to no. Then click on done, then click on done. Go back to your world and let's try to destroy another tree right here. You simply need to wait. And as you can see, it now works. That's how I basically install and use Tree Harvester in Minecraft.